You will be amazed by this 2024 Toyota Prius. This smooth, efficient Prius will surpass your expectations with its impressive range of features, from its sculpted lines to its suite of safety and connectivity technology to its roomy, comfortable cabin. This midsize hybrid hatchback inspires the confidence you need to manage your busy lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, navigation system, rear camera mirror, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, satellite radio, cooled front seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from driving a model of efficiency. We'll make it fun and easy for you to get behind the wheel of this sleek Prius.